Hi Warriors, my name's Natalie and I'm a damsel in defense independent contractor. Welcome to Warrior Wednesday. Okay, so let's start talking about products. We'll talk, we'll hit all kinds of topics. I've got all kinds of ideas for these, but let's start with products. One of my favorites is the little ringer, and this is a stun gun. And what I like about this stun gun, I like a lot of stuff about the stun gun. First of all, it's got a flashlight in it. It's a nice LED light. It's quite bright. I've actually taken this outside when I walk my dog, and it's very nice and bright. You could use this to blind somebody, like that. The other thing I really like about it is it's super small. It looks like a flashlight. Like nobody's gonna look at this and go, oh, she's carrying a stun gun. And I like that because they have another one. It's called the Get a Grip. And that's a monster. Like I'm gonna keep that in my car. I really like that one, but I wouldn't really want to walk around at night with it because it's kind of obvious. Whereas this one so is not. Like if you're a realtor, this is something where you can be like, so if you notice the painting over here, like nobody realizes that you're armed and dangerous, but at the same time, you're fabulous too, because look at this. It comes in so many different colors. I got the marble and I'm really liking it, but it has like black and purple and teal, and I don't even remember all the colors at this point. I will have them listed below. So it's got a battery indicator down there, which is nice. Comes with all the chargers and everything that you need, so you can charge it at home, you can charge it in your car, and then it's, a stun gun. And it's, my dog's like, what? It's really bright. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nasty and it sounds mean. So the nice thing about carrying a stun gun is you can point this in somebody's face and you can tell them, hey, I see you, back off, I've got a stun gun. And if they come at you, you don't even have to say I've got a stun gun. Just go like that. They're gonna be like, okay, this is not an easy target. And hopefully they'll back off and you wouldn't have to actually use anything. But if you do need to use a stun gun on somebody, the places you want to most stick it, I've heard this from police officers too, is stick it in the neck. That's the #1 place you want to put it because it blocks the signals to the brain and it's going to kind of confuse them for a few seconds. These are not going to put you on the floor in a puddle of pee, okay? But this is going to cause a lot of pain, and it will stop the person coming at you. So something, neck, under the rib cage, top of the hips, inside of the thighs are all areas that you want to try and aim for, and dig it in there good. I'm not going to do this to myself, but I love this. The other really amazing feature about the little ringer is, let's say I'm using this on somebody and he manages to grab it away. This comes with a disabling pin, and if it's pulled away, the flashlight still turns on, but I can no longer use the stun mechanism. So if somebody gets this away from me, they can't use it on me. So something really, I think, just incredible the Damsel did with their stun guns and some of their pepper sprays. And I just think that is brilliant. So you can put that on a keychain if you want. I would just, hold it in my hand, stick it in my pocket. But you want to be, if you're in a situation where you feel like you need a stun gun, please be wearing it. But anyway, so yeah, that's the little ringer. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and comment below. Do you have a stun gun? Do you want a stun gun? Check out my website. You can order these from me online. They've got, like I said, all kinds of different colors. They're super fun. And you can see they're very small. They're very compact. They're super easy to handle and use. So red indicates it's on and ready to go. So you can see. Doesn't work. Have a great day.